The official specification of the S23, S23 Plus and the S23 Ultra has been leaked, which confirm every single detail about the S23 series. Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to another video. So guys, today we have got a new leak coming from a tipster on Twitter named Yon Kim, and according to him, he has shared the Samsung France specification list of the S23 series. Now, according to him, the S23 Ultra can be seen in the first image, and that talks about the 200 megapixel primary camera, dazzling low light images, 10x optical zoom with optical image stabilization, the 4nm Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 processor, and a 5000 mAh battery. Whereas the S23 and S23 Plus can also be seen in the rest of the images, showcasing its 50 megapixel primary camera, 12 megapixel ultra wide camera, and a 3x telephoto camera. The Galaxy S23 has 3900 mAh battery, while S23 Plus has 4700 mAh battery. Now, the Galaxy S23 Ultra has an 8GB and 12GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 256GB, 512GB and 1TB storage option. None of the phones appears to feature an LPDDR5X RAM or Wi-Fi 7, which were rumored to be present on the Samsung upcoming flagship phone. All three phones will be having a Gorilla Glass Victus 2, HDR10 Plus, and under-display fingerprint reader, stereo speaker with a Dolby Atmos, an IP68 rating, wireless charging, and reverse wireless charging. All these phones will be having a 12 megapixel of autofocus selfie camera with a 4K HDR video recording and 8K video recording at 30 frames per second. Right off the box, it will be coming with Android 13 with One UI 5.1 support. Now, anyway guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Which device is going to be your favorite? Now, moving forward, our tipster Snoopy Tech has shared some more marketing promo images. The leaked promo images shows the S23 Ultra in botanic green color, whereas the S23 Plus can be seen in mystic lilac color, and the vanilla S23 is being showed in a cotton flower color option. Finally, the Galaxy S23 series could see a price jump across the board, which is not a good news. According to 9to5 Google, Samsung could increase the pricing of the S23 series by $100 across the board in the US, and the report claims that the 128GB of Galaxy S23 will carry a price tag of $899, $1,099 for the S23 Plus, and $1,299 for the Galaxy S23 Ultra, which is going to be a $100 increase from the previous generation. This increase in pricing could be due to higher component cost and rising inflation. However, with that being said, you can also get the S23 series smartphone with a good discount if you pre-order the device. Various reports claims that the S23 will be offering a free storage upgrade if you pre-order its upcoming smartphone. For example, you can get 256GB of variant phone for a price of $128, plus Samsung could throw the Galaxy Buds 2 for free. And the company is already offering $50 credit if you pre-reserve Galaxy S23 device in the US. If you pre-reserve 2 Galaxy devices, you can get $100 Samsung store credit. You can use this store credit to order accessories for the Galaxy S23 series. So if you are considering upgrading to the Galaxy S23 series, now would be an excellent time to pre-reserve it. It gets you an in-store credit, a free storage upgrade, and a bundle accessories. Anyway guys, let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. What do you think about this new specification and the pricing detail? Thanks for watching. Be sure to subscribe. Peace.